A Terraform configuration passes the Terraform validate process successfully, but execution of Terraform plan fails with an access denied message from the cloud provider. What is the fundamental reason Terraform validate did not identify this error? Option A. The command failed because the project directory was not initialized, preventing the provider plugin from being loaded. Option B. The configuration lacked a defined remote backend, preventing Terraform from verifying credentials against the existing state.
Option C. The Terraform validate tool is limited to verifying syntax and internal consistency and does not initiate communication with cloud providers. Option D. Variables are processed exclusively during the planning phase, so Terraform validate assumed default values were correct. Think about how different Terraform commands interact with your environment. Some commands run entirely offline to check your code structure, while others actively connect to external APIs to inspect real infrastructure and check permissions. Understanding where and when these checks occur is key to troubleshooting errors during your deployment workflows.
In my view, the correct answer is option C. The Terraform validate command is specifically designed to perform a static analysis of configuration files. It checks for syntactic validity and internal consistency locally, ensuring your block structures and resource dependencies are correct. Crucially, it explicitly avoids making any API calls to external cloud providers. Because it does not interact with the provider's API, it cannot possibly detect authentication or authorization issues like access denied. These permissions errors only manifest during execution phases, like Terraform plan or Terraform apply, when Terraform actively reaches out to the provider. Therefore, options A, B, and D describe scenarios that do not align with the local, static nature of the validation process.